before changing the default font, first we will import, of course, font from TKINTER. Then we will see the available families and also compare with the available names. We will not use name, we will use only families. So for the first print, it will not work because it will not find the default root window. This is why we are going to import first TK and then create the main window, even if we are not going to display it right now. So we'll just use it to be able to display the families. First we will display only the first 5 families, so this way we'll be able to read a little bit or to know some available fonts. As we can see here, when I selected the only first 5 elements, so I had only first 5 families. Now I will create a label and change effectively the default font. So first I will import the label and then create the label calling the label constructor. The default main window will be the app, and then I will add the text. This is the text, and I will add it using the pack layout manager to our main window. So it will display with the default font family and the default size. Now we will choose different font families from the ones that we displayed and apply them, or apply some of them to our label. So when we will run our app, we can see that this is the window. We will change first the size and the position of our window to see clearly our label, and then we will add the changes related to our font. Now here is the result. So now we can change also the increase the height of the window, and now we can change the default font. So we will simply specify the family and the size of the font. So we will choose one of the families displayed here. For example, there is the system family, so we will write simply system and size 20. When we run the app, this is the result. So we have a new font. We can change it. For example, we can test the terminal font, and the display of the label changed. Also, we can use or select the final one, which is the modern family font. Here is the font. Now we will compare some other options. So we'll compare this label with another label to be able to compare other options that we can use to customize the font. So the second label will have the same text, so we will be able to accurately compare between the two labels. The first label, we will add a weight for our font, a weight equal to bold, but for the second one we will keep the weight as normal, and we run again the code and we see clearly that there is a difference in the weight of the two labels. We can also change the slant of the font. Here we will select Roman, and for the second one we will select italic, and we will see the difference. The first one is the default, the second one is a different from the default, is italic slant. So I will see here is the difference. That's it. Bye.